Three, two, one. Hey FLOWFAM, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be opening up some Halloween Squishmallow paper squishy blind bags. You guys don't know how excited I am for this video because if you guys don't remember my part 1, I guess, for the Squishmallow blind bags, that video did so good and I just saw a bunch of people recreating the blind bags, posting it on TikTok, YouTube. There were well over like 50 videos of this paper squishy Squishmallow blind bag recreation. And if you made a video like this, I've probably seen it because they're just all so fun to watch. And since that video has almost about 500,000 views, I figured you guys would want a little part 2, and since it's almost October, I decided to make them spooky. Also, thank you guys so much for 95,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. That's like really crazy, and we're almost to 100K, and that's really exciting. So yeah, I think that's enough talking. Let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so these are how the blind bags look. I'm just gonna show you one of them and like all the detailing because I'm about to tear this up. But it just says Halloween with a little gradient, if you can tell. And it just has this cute little squishmallow at the front. And in the back, it says all of the rarities. So we have common, rare, ultra rare, and mega rare. I want you guys to comment down below what you think I'm going to get for each blind bag when I open it and see if you're right. Alright, let's cut this open at the line. Don't want to cut anything inside of it. So we have this blind bag which contains the squishy. Let's see what else there's in here. We have, ooh, this is like a little mini one. I wonder what it is. And let's see, I think there's one more little thing in here. Ooh, here is the rarity. So we're gonna open this up right now. 3, 2, 1. We got a rare! Yes, we're on the right track. Okay guys, so now we know we got like a rare one. I think we should go for the biggest to last. So let's open this little one. Let's see what it is. Ooh, it looks like it has like little pieces inside. Let's see what we got. These look like little bat wings, and these look like mini horns. Oh, so I think these little packets are the accessories to put on the Squishmallow because this is gonna make it like Halloween themed, I guess. Okay, let's just open this up and see what we have. 3, 2, 1. Cute! This is like a little monster, I guess. It's purple. It has little stripes on the little belly. And let's squish it. Ooh, very squishy. Okay guys, I'm gonna go tape on the little accessories and be right back. So this is how the Squishmallow looks all after its little Halloween costume makeover. So here's a little squish thing for you guys. Now we're just gonna set this little Squishmallow aside and open the rest of the blind bags. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. So obviously the first thing is the Squishmallow, and OMG guys, it was wrinkled in the back because it was so huge. We have the little accessory. We're gonna see what that is. And then the little rarity. So let's see what we get, guys. Hopefully it's something good. 3, 2, 1. We got a mega rare, guys. Do you guys know how rare that is? So it looks like the squishy is down here. So let's just cut this bag open and see what we get. 3, 2, wait, here are this week's shoutouts. Congratulations to the winners, and if you want to be included in next week's shoutouts, all you have to do is comment something nice. And I'm also trying to fit more comments into the videos because they were kind of hard to fit in only one screen. And for the fan art winners, you guys know I couldn't only pick 1 or 2, so in this episode I included as many as I could screenshot because they were all so amazing and I loved all of them. And that just proves that the FLOWFAM is the best. Hashtag FLOWFAM. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Guys, it's a little ghost. That's so cute. So this is the back and it looks like a giant marshmallow. Let's give it a squish. Ooh, very squishy. Okay, so let's open up the little accessory and see what goes with it, because it looks a little plain right now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's a little witch hat, or not a witch hat, but like a little fall hat. Okay, so we got the hat on. It looks so adorable on the squishy, and obviously it makes it 10 times better. Here is the back of it. I don't know which one's my new favorite, guys. I don't know. Help me choose. I think maybe the Mega Rare Ghost is my new favorite, to be honest. But yeah, these are the ones we've gotten so far, so now let's just open up the last one. Okay, so let's just open up the last and final blind bag. Hopefully we get a Mega Rare again. Although I doubt that's even a possibility. But let's just open this bag up and see what's inside. So there must be like the blind bag, of course. We have the rarity and then the little accessory. Okay guys, let's see the rarity. And it's green, which is ultra rare. First blind bag. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1. OMG, it's a little hat again. And this time it's an actual witch hat. That is really cute, guys. I can't wait to stick this onto the Squishmallow to make it very Halloween themed. So let's just open up the Squishmallow now. Alright guys, before I pull this Squishmallow out of the blind bag, make sure to comment down below your guess on the last and final Squishmallow paper squishy. 3, 2, 1. This is so cute, guys. It's a little jack-o'-lantern. Now let's just put the little accessory on. Okay, guys, so this is how the Squishmallow looks with its little witch hat. Guys, I don't know. I think this might be my new favorite. Okay guys, so these are the 3 Squishmallows that we got today in our Halloween Squishmallow paper squishy blind bags. This was such a fun video to film, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to comment down below which Squishmallow was your favorite, either the jack-o'-lantern witch, this cute little monster, or the Mega Rare Ghost. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and turn the bell notification on to get notified every time I post a brand new video and a chance to be early to the comment section so I can notice you. I love you guys so much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed Flowaween episode 2, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!